Have you ever laid eyes on this map? It depicts Earth's appearance some 200 million years ago, a time before Pangaea. The solitary supercontinent on our planet began to fragment. Imagine a scenario where continents, like puzzle pieces, reunite into one colossal landmass, allowing you to journey on foot from North America to Africa. Which country would then become your new neighbor? Would this amalgamation result in widespread natural disasters across the globe? How long might this newly formed Pangaea endure? Welcome to our universe tour. But before we delve into the adventure, consider subscribing to our channel to stay connected with us. Now, let's embark on our journey. Did you know that the land beneath your feet is in perpetual motion? This constant shift arises from the fact that all 7 continents rest upon Earth's tectonic plates, which constitute the fractured crust of our planet. These plates float atop molten rock at a pace akin to the growth of your fingernails. It may seem gradual, but over hundreds of millions of years, this movement accumulates. Across the 4.5 billion years of Earth's history, continents have undergone numerous transformations, at times merging and colliding, while at others breaking apart. Presently, they are gradually moving towards another collision. But what if one day, they abruptly accelerated and collided to form a supercontinent once more? Could you wake up near the Mexican border, gazing upon a world vastly different from what you've known? Should these plates collide in the direction you are currently traveling, you'd witness significant changes. The cost of flying from Australia to Asia would become a thing of the past, as Australia would converge with Japan, Korea, and China. The Atlantic Ocean would no longer separate these two continents. For avid walkers, a journey from sunny Australia to the frigid Antarctic continent would become a reality. North America would collide with Western Africa. Imagine New Yorkers waking up to find Namibian lions roaming through Central Park. Northern Africa would thrust itself into Europe, giving birth to a new Himalayan-scale mountain range along the tectonic borders. Can you picture camels enjoying a snowy hill? While some of these changes may sound intriguing, there's also some rather grim news. The eastern regions of the Americas, Western Europe, and Africa would become earthquake-prone zones, with newly formed volcanoes wreaking havoc. The lush slopes of the Appalachians would transform into towering snow-covered mountains, spewing ash and lava. This new Pangaea would largely be arid and hot, with rain clouds losing most of their moisture before reaching far inland. The supercontinent would be centered at the equator, leading to a reduction in biodiversity as not all species can withstand the scorching temperatures. However, akin to previous continental mergers, this reunion wouldn't be a permanent arrangement, lasting no longer than 50 million years. Volcanic eruptions, accompanied by devastating earthquakes, would set the stage for these regions to gradually separate. Stirred by the hot currents below, the supercontinent would eventually fragment into smaller landmasses, each going its own way. If you've been dreaming of a shared border with Australia, it might be time to recalibrate your expectations. This event isn't on the horizon, but you can always imagine how our planet would appear if these colossal continental pieces came together. Give the planet around 300 million years, and another supercontinent will emerge. Geologists have even given it a name, Pangaea Ultima. What name would you choose for it?